In this video, I want to talk about why you need a client portal as a designer in 2026. I'm a wedding invitation designer, but no matter what type of designer you are, you're often working with your clients back and forth on a lot of processes. There's a lot of visuals, there might be proofs, revisions, contracts, all of those things, and a client portal can make all of that easier. So let's go through reasons why you absolutely need a client portal as a designer in 2026. The first, and in my opinion, one of the most important reasons is that you're helping your clients understand your entire process. You can help them through this and empower them to do things on their own by having a really good client portal. So I'm going to jump into this welcome page that I created in Assembly, which is our amazing sponsor for this video. They're a wonderful client portal platform, and all the examples you'll see are through Assembly. This is like a welcome page, and as you can see, I've customized it with my photo, my fonts, etc. And you can help your clients through the process with a lot of different options. As an example, at the top, they have all the different actions they need to take. Then I'm saying, welcome to the family. We're so glad you're here. Here's a little welcome video that has all the information you need about wedding invitations, working with us, using the portal, etc. We've got things like working hours, how to use the portal, and then I've even linked to some extra resources that they might want to start checking out. You can do this in other places here, but I think when people are first logging in, they're more likely to follow instructions, and this is just going to help them feel seen and heard. You're preempting the questions that they have, and you're empowering them to go ahead and do things such as pay their invoice, fill out a form, etc. Without a client portal, this is something that you would have to do in email. And as we know, sometimes people have trouble reading emails. So this is a way to format it a lot more beautifully, like it looks here in Assembly, really beautiful, easy to follow for a client, and you can customize it for each client. Another reason I love a good client portal is because you don't have enough time in the day. So you can basically replace so many members of your team by having a good back and forth client portal. Everything is going to be exactly where you need it to be, such as these files are being uploaded, your billing, your contracts are going to be exactly where you need them to be. So you don't need to have a team that's doing all of these different things. Your client portal can do them for you. If you are a solopreneur or you have a really small team, it can be really difficult to have the customer service level that you want. As an example, when I first started, I really wanted to always ask for reviews or ask for pictures of the wedding after the wedding. But by the time that project was over and it had been a couple months, I had completely moved on because I didn't have enough brain power or time in the day to remember these old projects. I just didn't have enough because there was too much on my plate. So with a client portal like this, you can have a lot more customer service touch points that you wouldn't have had otherwise. A really great example is that welcome page. This video is going to walk them through a lot of stuff that I don't have time to individually walk them through. We're also going to get those extra resources for them. We'll have this ability over here to schedule a call. I've embedded a call scheduler here. So we're able to have some of those customer service touch points that we wouldn't have if we had too much work on our plate. Even something simple as a helpful blog, and I'm going to link that here. They can click out to it and they'll find all kinds of information about how to word their invitations, address their envelopes, etc. In addition to a better customer service experience for your clients will also have the ability to find everything that they need. So if they want to go and grab their print-ready files or any of their downloads that are available, see where their invoice is at, etc., they'll be able to do that instead of having to reach out to you. That's going to lead to happier clients. Another benefit of a good client portal is that you can actually make more money off of this. First of all, having happier clients is going to make you more money overall. Saving time is going to make you more money overall. But with a platform like Assembly, you can actually create even a store, kind of like Shopify, where they can add on different services and products. So this is not going to be a store where it like automatically ships things out for you and handles inventory and that kind of stuff, but you can put any of your services or additional offerings that you have here, and they can add on those things directly from their portal. Here's an example of mine. So for design add-ons, we have a couple of one-time purchases. You can also do subscriptions here. Like an unlimited use license for all their files or a smaller limited use license for one of their files. This is like when I design wedding invitations, if there's a monogram we created or something, sometimes they want to use that on additional work that we're not providing. So I'll have these licenses that they can buy. They could also buy something like a design day where I spend the entire day designing for them if they need some additional design work or if they want to do a website design or something like that. And you can make this store public so people who are not already your clients can can access this from your website or links on Instagram, wherever it is. So you can go ahead and sell some of these services to new clients. So a good client portal like this is going to make you additional money really easily. The next reason I love a good client portal is because it can streamline your back end as well. When we go into our tasks, we do have things that the client is going to be required to do, but we can also make this like back end communication only. So these tasks might only be viewable on my team. We might have some that are viewable for clients, and then we might have some that aren't assigned to anyone yet. You can grab these tasks and move them around as you start working on them in progress or as you complete them. Assembly is going to let you add on apps that are not visible to your clients as well. So for instance, in my team, we use Trello a lot. So we have this Trello board that our clients can't view, but we can view it on the back end. Now, Assembly is unique in this one, but this client portal will let you combine a lot of other systems that you use. So we go into adding an app, you can embed or link pretty much anything you could embed or link here, but they do have additional apps that are already connected here that are really easy for you to bring in. So if you're already using Airtable, if you're already using Calendly, Notion, QuickBooks, Google Drive, Zoom, just all of these different companies that you might already be working with, you can bring into this experience. As an example, I have a call scheduler from a different system that I use that is embedded, so anyone can just grab it and it's perfectly workable. They can just go ahead and book a call directly from their portal, even though it's from an outside system. And then my last and my probably favorite thing about working with a good client portal as a designer is that everything is in one place. I'm sure you can imagine with wedding invitations, you need to know the names of everyone. You need to know the dates of when they're going to mail and when they're going to RSVP and when the wedding is, when the save the dates go out. You need to know what color everything is, and all of these things can change as you go through the design process. So it costs you a lot of money to miss something in a random email chain. But what I love about a client portal is that all of that information is going to be there. So you have something like your file set up where you can always access the client's color palette, for instance, their inspiration board, any of the files that they've uploaded or that you've uploaded. You'll always be able to access like their address template if we have that linked here. And then in our messages, something that I really love is that this is searchable. So even if we've been talking for over a year and we have a ton of different messages, I'll be able to reach out and kind of search through here. Be like, okay, what color envelopes did they end up going with? Oh, we're going with the azure blue envelopes. So not only am I never going to miss any communication, but it's easily accessible as well. I also absolutely love to use the Forms app here in Assembly because then I can create a form where they can put in all the information, their quantity, their mom's name, their dad's name, etc. And all of that information is going to be in the same place for every single client because the form looks the same for every client. So as designers, we have to kind of combine the creative and the logistics sometimes, that like right brain and left brain, which is something I love about the job. But sometimes it can get a little crazy when you're trying to get in your creative space, but also remember all of the little specifics that you need. A good client portal is going to keep all that information exactly where you expect it to be and make it so much harder for you to miss something that's going to cost you down the line. So I hope you understand why, as a designer, a client portal can be so helpful. I've worked with several designers on designing my new website, etc. And having that portal where everything is in the same place is really helpful and empowers me to be able to move through the project on my own, check status updates, etc., instead of having to pepper them with questions, which is always helpful because who loves getting peppered with random customer service questions in the middle of a project. Our awesome sponsor for this video is Assembly, and they are a wonderful client portal that allows you to bring every system that you're currently using together in one unified experience, as well as customizing what your clients can see and what your team can see on the back end. So you can truly make it your own and use whatever pieces you're using, because I know as a wedding invitation designer, I might use different tools than a web designer or a home designer or any other type of designer out there. So I love that you can customize this client portal and bring in all the systems that you're currently already using. You don't have to completely switch over to their stuff if you want, but they also have a ton of powerful stuff on the back end if you want to use those. I'd love if you check out the 14-day free trial with Assembly. You don't even have to put in a credit card, and then you can use code Laney for $100 off once you realize how absolutely amazing and vital this will be to your business. Let me know what tools are really important for your client portal and what things you hope to bring in and customize for your client experience. Thanks for watching, everyone.